Hiya too, it's Mrs. Sharples. I'm here with your phonics lesson for Tuesday. So if you're working in your books, please pop down that title, adding ing and your date, Tuesday the 9th of February. Keep it nice and neat, please, and underline it, taking care of your presentation. If you need to pause me at any point in this video, please do. I am definitely going faster than I normally would in the classroom. So keep working hard and pause me if you need to, okay? We are learning to add ing today. If you want to just pop it on a piece of paper, that's fine. Yay, let's do some learning. Okay, right, I'm going to press play on these pictures and a word will be said and I'd like you to chop it up and be able to write it down, okay, in a list, please. Night. To make the digraph at the start, the n sound is made with a k and a n, remember. So all of these words that I've got on this first page here are recapping, they're going back over things that you've already covered in year 2. So night has that digraph kn to make the n sound, and then the eyes with the digraph ig, h. Night. Okay, let's keep going. Please pause me if I'm going too fast. Knee. Pause me if you need to. Not. Knife. Knock. Please pause me if you need to, okay, and then just press play for the next one. We'll be going slower in the classroom, wouldn't we? Mother. Another. Okay, so I'm going to click the page over now. If you need to go back, if you rewind me back a little bit, that's okay. It's just a practice to keep nice and fresh in your mind the words that we've already covered the past few weeks. So these are the spellings that we have just been practicing. So I'm going to read them to you and you can tick them off if you like, a nice small neat tick for night, me, not, knock, knife, mother, another. Okay, if you're still ticking those, you're still marking them, just press pause. If you're not sure how to press pause, ask a grown-up near you, okay? Let's keep going. Now, there are two words that I would like us to practice now. I would love for you to practice writing them 3 times to help them go in for you. They are words that are not easily sounded out, but we use them a lot, okay? So they're called high frequency words because we see them a lot in our reading and our writing. So the first one you're going to write is the word talk. So I am going to give you a chance to write that 3 times. Please keep working on your handwriting, guys, so making it look as neat as you possibly can. We are seeing your work as much as we can, sending it over. So this word is talk. Write it 3 times. Go ahead and pause me if you need to. Now, could you write the word two? Now this is how you would write the number 2 as a word, isn't it? So 2 penguins, 2 best friends. Okay, so go ahead and write that 3 times. See if you can join the word. Pause me if you need to. Okay, so we're going on to learn about adding ing to verbs. So I'm going to go ahead and read these for you. So we've got studying, copying, hurrying, and worrying. What do you notice about all of these verbs here? They're all verbs, and they all have Y at the end. Can you see? So we add, let's see if I can move me over for a second, make sure you can see. We add the ing, the suffix ing, to a verb. We're talking about something that is being done. Okay, so studying, there's studying, copy, copying, hurry, hurrying, worry, worrying. So the word doesn't change if it has a Y look, you just add ing to it. So when a verb ends in Y, leave the Y alone, just add ing. So I'm going to read these with you. If you can read them with me out loud, that would be great too. Marry, marrying. Hurry, hurrying. Copy, copying. Cry, crying. So let's see if we can read these and match them. Okay, normally I'd be getting you to write down the one, writing the word to get a bit of practice for you, and then putting your hand up which picture you can spot. So this word here, guys, I will just tell you because I can't ask for hands up, is replying. Replying. I'll click it for you. There we go. Next one. Copying. Oh no, this girl here is copying. Flying. What do you think that says? Let's go back. Marrying. And this one, trying. Which one do you think it is? Drying. Which picture do you think it is? Carrying. Which picture do you think it is? This one. Okay, now this word here, okay, I would like you to work out which verb with an ing on the end it is and write it down. Okay, pause me if you want to write it down, if I'm not giving you enough time. Go to press help now, so press pause if you want to do it by yourself. Copying. Next one. What does this word say? What do those letters make? What verb ending in ing does it make? Pause me. Have a go by yourself. Starts with a H. Do you know what it is yet? Hurrying. Ready? What's this one? Pause me because I'm about to press help while you have a go. Do you know what it is? Studying. Write it down. This is the bit where you're practicing your writing, so make sure you have a go writing it down. So here, write down the word that you think it's making. Pause me so you can have a go by yourself. Do you know what it is yet? Is that what you wrote down? Well done, guys. Okay. Now, here I would like you to write down the words that have ing on the end. Which ones can you spot? Okay. So I'm going to have a go at reading it because I can't ask you guys to do it with me. So if you want to pause, that would be a really good idea because then you're having to go to apply this learning by yourself and reading it out loud. So I'm going to read it with you. This activity, I would like you to write down all the ing words you can find. To copy, you must go to the photocopying room. Is there an ing word there? Please do not talk in the corridors. Try the door first. If trying the door doesn't work, there's an ing there, isn't there? Knock on the office door. If there is no reply, tell the teacher that no one is replying and they will let you in. So write down the ing words. Press pause if you haven't got them all yet because I'm about to show the answers. Now, I have got a choice of activities for you today. I'm just bringing those up, so please be patient for a second for me. Here they are. Now, I am trying to show you, I hope it's worked, some of the different activities that you can choose from, okay? This is some instructions for a memory game, and those are the word cards that go with it. All of these activities help you to learn to read and spell words that have ing on the end. So you play this with someone else. You can show the cards on a tray or a floor facing up, or a table. Allow you to memorize the cards, and then it's a little bit like hide and seek, because you pick two of the cards and try and find the matching ing word, make a pair. So for example, these would all be cut up and mixed on the table, turn over once you've had a go at reading them, and then you're trying to match them up. So copy would go with copying, worry would go with worrying. So that's one of the activities you can choose from if you want to have it more of a game today. This one is it's a worksheet, okay? So you get an activity sheet to try and practice reading words that have ing in. So crying, you'd neatly draw a line, ruler if you can, to the picture, crying and crying, okay? And there is a word search if you would rather practice reading and spelling words that have ing in. Now, if you are finding that this feels very much like new learning, there are some optional support packs that I've put together that are recapping other ways to add, that you may have come across before, of adding ing. And then later on the week, there's another pack that looks at what we will be doing tomorrow for adding ed. Okay, now for the Zoom meetings, guys, we are trying really hard to do more quizzes and making them as interesting as possible. So please join us. Bring any work that you have done along so we can have a look and help you know how proud we are for how hard you're working. Please keep emailing us anything, any pictures. We care about you and we want to know how you're doing. Okay, so enjoy learning about words that add ing. Bye-bye. Take care, guys.